So I lost my female Anhinga, and now I'm on my way to try to find her. I'm going to see if she went back to this place where I saw her before. She's not with her mate right now. She's back in her other place. So that means that I need to change out my camera lens. Anhingas are most often seen perched near the water's edge. They dry their wings after a swim or hunt for fish. When the sun comes out, so do our wings. And when the clouds cover the sun, she pulls her wings back in. Anhingas are a part of the darter family, this one being a female American darter. Some of their more fun nicknames are water turkey, named so because of their tails being shaped much like that of a turkey, and snakebirds, because when they are hunting for fish, all you can see are their heads and necks, which resembles a snake in the water. When you're a bird, it's important to keep your feathers clean and dry, so they'll work properly just when you need them to. And there she goes.